Jamesy.
Hi, I'm Jamesy and welcome to my very first video. In this video we're going to be drawing Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck first appeared in a short animation called Porky's Duck Hunt. And let's get to it! Today we'll be using a thick Sharpie and maybe a thin Sharpie. Let's get started on the eyes. To start with, we'll do the pupils, do a half circle, and another half circle over here, and then we'll join those with a big circle for the pupils. And this one, join that one as well, and let's just colour them. Done. Now let's do the outside, the eyes. I'm going to do a little point here, and a point there. I'm going to draw a half circle all the way around the pupil, and then join it back up around the bottom. And do the same on the right eye. One there, one there. Join it around the top with this half circle, then join around the bottom. Half circle. Let's move on to the eyebrows. We're going to start off with a point just above the eye. I'm going to do like a wavy line, and then make the in a bit thicker. There you go. Then the right one. Point here, point here. And then make that middle a bit thicker. And there's the eyebrows. Next, let's move on to the beak. Start off with a point about here, and a point about there, and we're just going to join them up. Then we're going to start off with a point about here, and then a point about here. We're going to join that up. Done. Next we're going to start a point about here, do a half circle, and then on the other side a half circle, and then we're going to join those two as well. There's the start of the beak. Next we're going to do the bottom of the mouth. Start a point back here to here, join those, point here to here and join those. Then we're going to join this point for the very bottom of the beak. It's not, the line isn't as curved, but it's slightly curved. And we're just going to do the size of the beak. From there to there, and then same on the right side. And there's the main part of the beak. Let's do the top of the head next, and do a point here all the way up to here, above the eye, and then draw a curve all the way around. We'll do the same on the right side. Go from here to about here. Draw all the way around. Next we'll draw the tufts on top of his head. So we'll start about here, come up to here, come back down to here.
Remember to subscribe and click that like button.
Knock these out. And then mark this final one out, come down to about there. There's the head. Now let's do the body. We'll do a point here, here and a point here for this left hand side of the body. And then we'll do like a curve, then a straight line, and another curve to the bottom. And we'll do the same on the right side. Just mark the same point, 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 do a curve, straight line, curve, and we'll just do a couple of points at the bottom to finish the bottom of the body. And the top part of his legs as well. So for his legs we'll do straight line, zigzag, straight line. And then for the right leg, top of the right leg, zigzag, straight line. Next his arms. So for his arms we're going to do a curve round. We'll start right here and then mark some points here for his arm. We'll go round, curve, and then straight. And then for the bottom of his arm we'll do a point here. Okay, we'll join those. And his forearm, we'll start about here. And then for his hand we'll curve it round and do an S shape. And then for the right side of his hand we'll just do a curve down to about here and come round to about here. And then just do a little line to show one of his fingers showing. And then the right arm, same again but the other way around. Mark some points out. We'll go around from here and then a tight curve into a straight line. And from here to here. And here to about here. Slight curve. Then onto his hand, a reverse S shape. For his palm, and then inner part of his hand, and then we'll start here, come round to about here, and then here, for the inner part of his hand. And then a line for showing one of his fingers. Next let's do his feet and legs. So his legs are very simple. So we're going to draw a point, do a straight line to there, and then we're going to draw a point this side, which goes down a bit further, straight line. And we're going to join those two together, but we're going to do a curve. So we're going to curve it round to about there, and then kind of like an S shape, a reverse S shape. And then the bottom, we just join those with a single curve. And the same on the right. Do the inner part of his leg first, straight line. And part of his leg, straight line. And then curve, kind of S shape. And then join those points at the bottom. And you completed his foot. Now let's sign this bad boy. Always got to sign your artwork. J A M. Don't sign it my name. Sign it your name. B S Y. Smiley boys. I hope you enjoyed this video of how to draw Daffy Duck. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye bye.